In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the HostGator affiliate program, a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting web hosting services. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, this program offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your online presence. To begin, the first step is signing up for the HostGator affiliate program through their affiliate portal. Head over to their website and navigate to the affiliate section. You'll be greeted with an overview of the program, highlighting the benefits and potential earnings. Click on the sign up button and you'll be led to a registration form. Here, fill in your details accurately, as this information is crucial for setting up your account and processing future payments. Once you've completed the form, submit it and await approval. This process is generally quick, but do keep an eye on your email for their confirmation. After successfully signing up, you will obtain your unique affiliate referral link. This link is your key to earning commissions, as it's uniquely tied to your account, allowing HostGator to track the traffic and sales you generate. Typically, you'll find this link in the affiliate dashboard. Copy it and keep it handy, as you'll be using it frequently to promote their services. The next phase is promoting HostGator hosting services. There are multiple avenues to explore: your website or blog, social media platforms, and even email campaigns. Whichever platforms you choose, the key is to integrate your affiliate link naturally and effectively. On your website or blog, consider writing articles or creating reviews about HostGator's services. On social media, engage with your audience by sharing informative posts or tips about hosting, ensuring you include your link. For email campaigns, consider crafting newsletters featuring the benefits of HostGator, encouraging your audience to click through your affiliate link to learn more. Remember, the goal is not just to promote, but to add value to your audience, making them inclined to check out HostGator. As you actively promote, it's crucial to track your referrals and commissions through the affiliate dashboard. This platform is your hub for monitoring how your marketing efforts are performing. It provides insights into the number of clicks, conversions, and the resulting commissions. Regularly checking this dashboard will help you understand what's working and what isn't, so make it a habit. Lastly, optimize your marketing strategies to boost conversions. Analyze the data you gather from the dashboard to identify successful tactics and potential areas for improvement. You might find certain content